So now we are going to install XAMPP web server in our computer. How its installation, from where to download source file and how to download and install it. Now, first of all, what is XAMPP? It is a free and open source platform web server package. It contains mainly Apache HTTP web server, MySQL database, and it supports PHP and Perl programming language. Now, XAMPP is available for Windows, Linux, Solaris, and Mac OS as well. It is mainly used for people who are in web development field. The first thing to install XAMPP is to download its package. So to download, you have to visit Apache Friend website on where where you got windows like this, and there are many versions, and you have to just pick up a latest version. You have to click on download button. After that, once you download its setup, just open it and you will get this message, welcome message, okay, to set up XAMPP. Click on next, select a folder, select a path where you want to install it. Next, ready to install. Here you are just now installing package and finish, and you just got your XAMPP. So now let me show you. Chrome. Okay. XAMPP download 64-bit. Okay. So over here you can see that this is apachefriend.org. Just click on it. Over here you are getting version, okay, just pick a latest version. This is 7.231, this is 7.4.6, PHP 7.4.6, okay. Click on download 64, okay. Once you click on it, your file will be automatically getting downloaded, okay. Once it is downloaded, okay, I have already downloaded it. Okay, here it is. Click on install. Yes, I want to preview this file. It will take some time. Have patience. And that was message for me because it is very difficult for me to have. Okay, you just got your welcome message. Install. Yeah, I want to install all component. Okay, so already they are checked. And next, after that, you have to select a folder path where you want to install your XAMPP web server. Yeah, for me this is okay. Next, language English. Next, okay, Bitnami for XAMPP. This is very good tool, like all in one, okay, in one tool you get, so that you can install Drupal, Joomla, WordPress kind of framework, okay, so that you can work with them also. Okay, this is message from Bitnami. Thanks for downloading like this. Okay. Okay. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. Click on next. Installing, unpacking files. Now see, this will take minimum 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So once you click on finish button after installing files, you will get this window, XAMPP control panel. In this, over here you can see that all the modules are here: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, and Tomcat. Over here there are actions to be performed by user like me. For example, I want to start my Apache, so just click on it. Over here you can see the status, control panel ready, attempting to start Apache app, and status change detected, and now your Apache web server is running. One thing, there are ports where this is connected to port number. If you want to stop, just click on once again and your status will be reflected here, stopped. Now there is configuration. Over here, auto start of modules, that means just you click on, whenever you click on them, which are the modules you want to start automatically, you just click on it, Apache or MySQL, save change if you want, okay, if you want. And also from here you can see port number associated with particular model. For example, Apache main port is 80 and SSL port is 443. MySQL, Tomcat, okay, like this. Save, we have, okay, save, like this. So this is all about XAMPP downloading and installing and configuration. Hope you understood well, and to be sure you have understood or not, just download XAMPP and try it, because you will need it for further web development practicing.